YouTube, Eric DIY with another review for you. Today we're going to review the Iunio 16-inch camping axe. So the Iunio camping axe has many different parts to it. This is how it comes apart. The bottom part is a compass, and it has some threads there. This is a glass breaker right here. You can actually punch things out with that. And it also has a fire starter and an emergency whistle, which works really great. And that just screws right into this bottom part, and then this screws into the compass side right here. So that's the bottom of it. Then you have this extension right here, but it also has a hunting knife which goes on the top of this thing. You see the threads in there. Just screw it right in. Hunting knife also has a bottle opener on it, and that screws into the bottom part, top of the fire starter. Screw it right on top of that. That's looking tight. Then you're gonna take the bigger extension and you're gonna match it up with the threads here, and you got threads there. Be very careful with the camping knife. Actually, it only goes in one way, so if it doesn't go in one way, it goes in the other way. See the threads? That goes over the hunting knife and right on. You screw it on really tight. They all have little rubber gaskets to keep moisture out. Nice and tight. And then finally, you have the top of the camping axe and this nice sheath right here. Take it off. You see it's pretty sharp. We're going to try that in a second. And it also has a hammer on the back. We actually used to hammer in the stakes for this tent that we just put up. And it just screws right on top of the shaft. You just want to make sure it's really tight so that way it doesn't move around. Again, that has a rubber gasket on it. Make sure everything's tight. And that is how you build the Iunio camping axe. You'll also see that on the other side of the sheath it has a belt loop, so you can actually put it in your belt and it can hold it there. So the Iunio camping axe can also be used for when you're staking out a tent. Use the back of it for a hammer and hammer the stake in. I'm going to cut this wood just to show you how it cuts. Taking it out of the sheath, just two little snaps. Taking the sheath off, and let's go at it and see what it does. There you go, broke right through that wood with no problem. And you'll see that the edge is still super sharp and there's no nicks in it or anything. So it did a very nice job cutting through that branch. The Iunio camping axe is also helpful to have around the house. For example, this tree that we don't want there, we're going to cut it right out. So right at the bottom. And it cuts right through it and gets it out of there for you. So it's an awesome axe to cut down any type of brush or even little trees coming out of your landscaping that you don't want. The Iunio camping axe also comes with this nice extra grip tape, which seems to be reusable. You just wrap it around the axe like so. And that way the Iunio camping axe has a little bit more comfort when using the axe. You don't need this, but it's good to have it in case you're going to be chopping for a while. And the grip tape is totally reusable in the fact that it will stick back together again. Just put it back on the spool then you can use it again. And that is my review of the Iunio camping axe. It's a great axe. I'll be using it for a long time. It has a lot of accessories with it, as I showed before, and the grip tape just makes it that much better. It is not your traditional wooden handle axe, but it will function as a camping axe just fine. If you'd like to purchase your Iunio camping axe, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own. Every purchase will support the Eric DIY channel, and we appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button along with the bell for notifications, so that way you know when the new videos have come out. And as always, have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.